What are you doing?
Just sitting on my first tractor that I got today.
You like it?
Huh? Gonna get this redone one day.
You gonna restore it?
Mm-hmm.
What was going through your head when you heard that letter?
I don't know. So whenever the letter said, I've been watching how you've been watching tractor videos and studying them, and I thought somebody was looking at through my window and watching me, the guy who owned it. And then I realized a few minutes later, I realized that my mom and dad owned it and they bought it for me. It's my 1953 Ford Jubilee. And you got another down there, but they don't run. And this thing's always going to be my favorite tractor on the farm, even when I'm older and I got bigger tractors, hopefully. It does need a little bit of paint job. People have painted it red, gray, and blue throughout the years. And I'm going to get all that old paint off and I'm going to redo it. And I just don't know what I'm going to do whenever I'm older and this thing don't run. But hopefully I can keep it running for a long time.
I'm sure you can.
Probably could. Even if I do get it stopped running, I can get my dad to help me fix it.
Yep. You just gotta restore it.
Just gotta restore it and get the carburetor cleaned out, and it worked. It can work fine. This was one of the best things I've ever got.
Oh. You're thankful for it, ain't you, baby? Love you, buddy.
Love you. I'm so tempted to turn the key right now.
Crank it.
That's the thing. I forgot which one was the brake. Pretty sure it's these two. I don't want to crank it without my dad's here, because what if it goes wild? So look how hard the steering is. Take your basket off. Watch the wheel. The steering's hard. Even with two hands too. I like it.
What color are you gonna paint it?
And paint it like how it was whenever it came out of the factory.
Yep.
Gonna paint it like the originals. Everything in the engine, everything looks fine. I'm gonna keep these on back here, but if I have to work it dark with it and plow, and I'm gonna put some headlights up there, like my dad's. And probably gonna do it a little paint job. Get me a new hitch for the front.
Okay.
I should keep that one and then just get this thing repainted. I'll have to buy some new tires for a while.
That's good.
These tires for these things are expensive. There's a few cracks in there from how much use. This thing, my dad's actually only has 5,000 hours. 5,000 something hours. Mine has 28,327 hours.
Wow.
Which is pretty good for an old tractor. My dad's is just 1 year, 1 year newer than mine, and it only has 5,253 hours.
I wonder how many fields were plowed with this one.
Probably a lot. You can tell there was probably a lot because how many cracks are in the front wheel and the back wheel. You can also tell it's pretty old because how much rust is on it. Mine has like a little vent kind of thingy right here for like the air cleaner. My dad's is just a little jar with something. And I'm happy I got it. Never realized how big gas tanks were on these Jubilees until I just got mine.
Yeah.
These are huge.
So what made you want a Jubilee?
Well, so my mom, here's how it started. I had a combine and that got gave to me, and then the guy who gave it to me that's Tater again. And he gave it away because we didn't have nowhere to put it. He gave it to somebody and they're trying to sell it. And my mom said, instead of buying the combine, why don't you get a tractor to ride on? And I was like, okay, sure. And then I was looking through tractors and my mom found this one and she showed it to me. And I really liked it.
Did you think Mom and Dad was going to buy it?
Not that quick. I thought it would take a few weeks. The only problem with it needs a paint job, and these front headlights were ripped out, and then we got some back headlights. My dad don't have it. But
That's an easy fix, though.
yeah, we can find those headlights for pretty cheap, like $50 each.
Yeah.
But
So what's your plans once you get it restored?
once I get it restored, I'm probably gonna use it for a long time. Well, at least as long as I can get it.
Yeah.
We'll have to restore it again. It's probably gonna need paint job pretty quick with our garden. Probably gonna need some new tires in like a few years. We should hold a few years, right, Mom?
I guess, buddy.
They look like they should. There are no huge cracks. It's just like little tiny cracks.
Yeah.
My dad's has a little bar on the back for hauling trailers and like different implements like potato harvesters. Mine doesn't have a bar. It only has a 3-point hitch and a PTO. I
Yeah.
wonder if the lift works on it. I haven't tested that out yet. Pretty sure it does because that was down whenever my dad parked it over there by his tractor.
Yeah.
Told me that it was just a random person's tractor and they said they left. I was like, who would leave it? Like, shouldn't they come back and get the money? But then I didn't suspect anything about it then, and I realized it was mine. I was real happy. I was really, really happy. And you can see where the bar's missing on it. You can put a bar on. My dad's usually over there has a bar on it, and I might just take that bar as like an extra for this one. Never realized how wiggly the 3-point hitch on the Jubilee was. Probably just needs tightened, right?
Probably.
And then these new ones can't like go like that.
You're so smart when it comes to tractors, too.
You know how I know that new ones can't go like that?
Why?
Whenever we at the tractor show, I looked at the 3-point hitch on back and I tried to turn it and it wouldn't move.
Ah.
I wanted to see if it was like mine.
How'd you like the tractor show?
I loved it. That's where I got surprised with this little thing. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. This lift works. I thought this is how 3-point hitches looked. I didn't know they could go like this. I
Yeah.
thought they were always like this. This thing just needs to tighten a little bit. But
Well, I'm glad you love it, Bubba.
I'm happy I got it.
I'm happy you got it,
This is
too.
my first ever tractor. Gonna use it a lot next year. Probably gonna bush hog it with it. One day if I ever get a bush hog and plow. You can usually get them for $5,000 for a 2-row.
Oh, yeah.
So that should be pretty easy.
So we'll have to definitely save our money.
We're gonna have to spend a lot to get this thing restored. Get it repainted and all that. That's gonna be hard.
Nah. Y'all can do it.
And you can kind of see where they've been repainted. Right here, you can see it on the dash. Right here. Right there, it's been painted red and blue. And then also right there, you can see it's like red right there and then blue over there. But other than that, it's pretty nice, and I like it. My first ever tractor. It's a Ford Jubilee. We have another down there behind me.
And what did we tell you? Whenever you sit on it, to what?
Remember it.
Remember all
Whenever
your hard
this
work and
thing's
remember
old,
that. Yep.
and it don't run, so we're just gonna keep it around. Just for like a project to work on. See if I can get it running again.
Well, it runs.
I know, but like if it stops whenever I'm older, if it
Oh.
ever stops, I'm gonna keep it as like a
You'll
little
just have to
project
read
get
up on
running.
them.
And then I'm also gonna have a bunch of these on
Are
the
ya?
farm whenever I'm older, hopefully. 'Cause I like these.
What kind of farm are you gonna have?
I'm probably gonna have like Fords and some John Deeres and maybe some Case. Have like a mixture of like blue and gray and red and green.
So you're gonna have a bunch of tractors.
Well, I can also get a bunch of Fords, Ford 4000, they're blue, and John Deere, green, and Case is red. And this Ford right here, I'm always gonna keep it. Gonna keep everything on it the same, and I'm just gonna restore it. That's all it needs. This little button, my dad has a little button. The button don't work on it, so they put a little key in it. Put a little key in it. So whenever I'm worried a little bit, just keep this key back in. I can just take out the key so nobody can steal it every night. And other than that, that's really all I have to say about it. Except for one thing.
What?
I'm surprised this gate still works. And I've never drove one of these before. I'm getting my dad to teach me hopefully pretty soon. I know this is like the gear shifter, right?
Mhm.
My dad drove today. He got it started and it drove and then it like stopped. And we loaded onto the trailer and then it drove perfectly. My dad said, when we drive it, better like drives. So I'm gonna try to get a few miles on it. This gauge is probably gonna be up to 40,000.
You think?
By the time I'm about 20,
Yeah.
probably. And I'm probably gonna take off and drive it tomorrow, probably. I ain't gonna drive it today. I'm going
Sit on it and take it all in, huh?
before I get these tires wore out some more. I'm just gonna sit on it for today because I'm not ready to drive it.
Well, it's all yours.
And I don't have whenever I learn how to drive it, after I get home from school, I can drive whatever I want. Now that my money's fixed, my other tractor I bought from the tractor show, and this I gave at the tractor show, and a lot of people from the tractor show knew it, didn't they, Mom?
Yeah. Love you, buddy.
Have you?